I live in a neighborhood. I live in a neighborhood. My neighborhood is nice. My neighborhood is nice. I see houses. I see houses. I see people. I see people. I say hello. I say hello. I have friends. I have friends. We play games. We play games. We run and laugh. We run and laugh. We ride bikes. We ride bikes. We have fun. We have fun. I see a park. I see a park. I go to the park. I go to the park. I swing on the swings. I swing on the swings. I slide down the slide. I slide down the slide. I like the park. I like the park. I see a store. I see a store. I go to the store. I go to the store. I buy candy. I buy candy. I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. I see a school. I see a school. I go to the school. I go to the school. I learn in the school. I learn in the school. I have a teacher. I have a teacher. I like my neighborhood. I like my neighborhood. It's a good place. It's a good place. I feel happy here. I feel happy here. My neighborhood is my home. My neighborhood is my home.